how can you still sit there and say you'll support him if he's the nominee if he is creating a toxic environment like this? I got to think you seem to be struggling with this.
Well, it's tough. I mean, but he's not going to be the nominee, Chuck.
No, I think analytically you are more right than I've been in the sense that you saw the depth of discontent, and therefore you were right in predicting Trump would be stronger, and I kept thinking he would fade. I still don't think he'll be the nominee, but he obviously has a lot of support.
I'm not a Ted Cruz fan. I don't think Ted Cruz is the future of the Republican Party. And Donald Trump, who is not going to be the nominee, which I think Charlie's exactly right about, is sitting on all of that. So what are you going to... Look, the average winner of a Republican primary caucus, I think the first 12, gets what, 40, 41%? Right. So Donald Trump is not going to grow to that, in all likelihood. Now, he's surprised us, but I don't think he's going to be the nominee in that sense.
Well, I do, based on your theme, believe that he's here to stay for a while, maybe through a few primaries, but he is not going to be the nominee. I mean, what Donald Trump is doing right now is running as a more likable Pat Buchanan with a protectionist, nativist platform that will not sell to a majority of Republicans. There's a small group in the party that will support that, but he won't go, when the field narrows, he won't go very far.
You're never going to be president of the United States by insulting your way to the presidency.
Let's see, I'm at 42 and you're at 3, so
far
I'm doing better.
Doesn't matter.
So far I'm doing better. You know, you started off over here, Jeb. You're moving over further and further. Pretty soon you're going to be off the end.
Will you still support him if he's the nominee?
What's that?
Will you still support him if
he's not going to be the nominee? The Republican Party would be split apart if he became the nominee, because we cannot allow the party of Reagan to be taken over by a con man.
Does that mean you would not support him if he were the nominee?
Well, he's not going to be the nominee.
And you say he won't get the nomination?
No.
What if he does? Will you support him?
He's not going to. But, so, you know, we're not even going to go there. But I tell you this.
So you would you support him, Governor Kasich, if he is the Republican nominee, after what you've just said about him?
I think he's very divisive, and I do not believe he will last. It's just not going to happen, Martha. And everybody needs to get over it and take a deep breath.